Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable emoji on your iPhone keyboard. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes under this video and write your comments after watching this video clip. So, dear friends, let's get to our topic. And let's say if you don't use such an additional option as emoji on your keyboard. Let's say that you are not interested in it, it may even interfere with you, or if you have mainly only work correspondence, it can be distracting. And I'm going to show you how you can very easily and quickly turn off those emoji on your keyboard. So on your iPhone, open Settings. Next, friends, here you can swipe down from the top, go to the search bar and type in the word keyboard here. So, please open up the keyboard. And here, friends, all you're gonna have to do is at the very top, select all the keyboards that you have activated. Click right here, and you'll see the languages that you have active on your keyboard. Next, to remove emoji. At the top on the right-hand side, click Edit. Then click on this minus next to the word emoji and delete. Once again, click the minus and delete. Now, friends, to save these changes, click Ready and exit the settings. And now, as you can see, there are no more emoji options on your keyboard, which I think will help you not to get distracted by them. This is the way, friends, you can easily disable emoji on your keyboard on iPhone. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put likes under this video and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.